On page 4, let's take a look at problem number 8. So I've got these 5 points. They're randomly selected from the square. Well, how many points do we have? Because it goes all the way up to t, doesn't it? So if we just count, sorry. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So my sample space is just like question number 7. I'm going to do a combination. I'm going to 21, and if I look at my points in a row, A, E, I, M, well, actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to do how many different ways can we choose 5 points from 21? So let's, oh, I got too much stuff open here. Here we go. So let's do a combination of 21 things, 5 at a time. So we have 20,349 ways to choose those 5 points. Now, how many of them are going to be collinear? So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 out of 20,349. Now, can I simplify that? So if I take 6 divided by 20,349, I'll get 2 out of 6,783. In other words, 3 goes into both of them. And there's your answer. Let's take a look at question number 9. First off, on number 9, if independent is we would have to return after each drawing. Dependent is we'd keep it out. Now, if we take a look at letter B here, if the names are returned, what's the probability that 2 people from the 20 to 24 range, in other words, I'm going to have 9 out of, how many do we have here? Let's count. So there's 12, 25, 33, 40. So 9 out of 40 would be the first person. Well, the second person is also that. And I didn't tell you how to do this. So let's do 81 out of 1,600. And 81 out of 1,600 would be about 0.05. So you got about a 5% chance of them picking it from the 20 to 24. Now, if we have 2 seniors in a class of 400, we'll receive tickets. Izzy and her best friend are hoping to win. What's the probability that both Izzy and her best friend will win the ticket? Well, in the first drawing, we got Izzy and her best friend, so we got 2 people out of 400. Then my second drawing, if the first person won, then there's only 1 person left out of 399. And so in other words, we're going to get 2 over 400 times 399. So if I take 400 times 399, we get 159,600. And then I want to reduce that, so I know that's going to be 1 over, if I take 159,600 and I divide that by 2, because it's even, I get 79,100. Not a very likelihood that they will both get those tickets.